Dear students, good morning to all. Yesterday we studied about Christianity, the origin and the spread of Christianity. So, in the history, there's an important person who influenced the growth of Christian religion. It is the emperor called Constantine. Look to the book. The Christians remained a minority in Roman Empire for almost 300 years. It is Constantine who made Christianity the official religion of the empire by the Edict of Milan. It is in 313th century. It changed the status of Christianity. Though he himself was not baptized, he constructed many churches and declared Sunday as a public holiday. He shifted his capital from Rome to a city of Byzantine, and it was renamed as Constantinople after the name of Constantine the emperor. So, under Constantine rule, the religion, Christianity, spread, had grown, and the religious headquarters of Christianity is St. Peter's Church in Rome, and the bishop is the spiritual head of the world. So, look into history, we see the decline of Roman Empire because it was divided into two halves for better administration, with the Greek-speaking people, that is centered in Milan, and Latin-speaking areas, that is Byzantine. Later we will see the Byzantine history in detail. So, later, the Western Empire declined because of economic crisis. There are numerous reasons for that, and Eastern Europe grew in wealth. But East and West was united by the religion Christianity. So, the main reason for the decline of the empire was mainly by the attacks of the Germanic tribes, such as the Goths, Vandals, and the Franks. It weakened and declined the Roman Empire. Their raids or their attacks are called as the barbarian invasions. They plundered. Plundered means they have stolen everything. As we study in the Indian history, we see that the British people plundered all the assets of our nation, and it was in a way ruined our economic stability. Like that, the Roman Empire was also declined because of the invasion of the Germanic tribes. So, though, as years passed by, the decline of the Roman Empire and the spread of Christianity was replaced by many polytheistic Roman religion. The Christianity as a monotheistic religion. Say, monotheism means belief in one God. So, it replaced the multi-religious or polytheistic Roman religion. Many gods and goddesses were there in Roman Empire. But by the origin of Christianity, it has become a monotheistic nation. So, the Eastern and Western churches eventually started to attack, or they have to deal with the other in a rather difficult way, or the difference between the eastern and western regions or churches areas was developed. So also the difference in the faith, it has led to a division in Christian minds or among the people. The main division is by the origin of the Protestant movement in the Catholic Church, and the advisor or the man who started the Protestant movement was Martin Luther. So the Protestant movement has divided or raised a division in the Catholic Church. And again, in the 18th century, John Wesley has started the Methodist movement in Britain. Britain means England. While the Oxford movement was started in the 19th century only. This period also witnessed the Anglo-Catholic movement within the Church of England. So, as we study in the history, there is a division in the Catholic Church, that is by origin of the Protestant movement, and then in the 19th century by the Methodist movement.